Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, before we get into all the Tailwind CSS styling and shadows and this and that, what I want to discuss about is a fundamental way Tailwind works with responsive design and with devices of different widths, and that is using these classes. Now, in Tailwind, what you have to understand is that a lot of metadata to the existing classes is attached using colon, right? So let's take a look at these set of classes. This set of class say that SM, MD, large, extra large, and 2 times extra large have these particular breakpoints as the a minimum width, which is important. And what this means is that if I am in this particular class, and if I say that hey, this SM should be BG Gray 700, which means anything above 640 pixel should have this style applied, right? If the screen size is above 640 pixels, then only the style should be applied. And this could be visually seen as I drag this. And if I make this above 640, you can see the moment my screen goes above 640 pixel, we get the gray. And the moment it goes down 640 pixel, we pretty much lose the gray because it is lost, right? I mean, this becomes white. If I give this a background of, let's say, BG yellow 900 like this, you can see this is yellow right now as long as it is under 640 pixel width, and the moment I cross that, you can see it becomes gray. Now this is like a media query, and this is in fact a media query under the hood, which says that anything which is minimum width of 640 should have this particular style, right? And in this case, it doesn't matter the order in which you put. You can put it above as well, because media queries have a higher specificity than a single style. So you can see this would still work. But this is important because using these selectors, using these SM, MD, LG, XL, 2XL, you can customize the behavior of your website, right? So you don't have to write explicit media queries in CSS. You can just write the behavior over here and be done with it. For example, one quick example I can also show you is something like SM, and then you can say text 2XL, right? So you can see that if I increase the size of this div, the text automatically increases because the text is set to 2XL. If I change this to 4XL, for example, you're going to see it becomes much larger the moment we cross that small boundary, right? So you can see you can play around with a lot of styles in Tailwind using these selectors. And the good thing about them is that there is no limit pretty much to whatever you enter here. So for example, if you enter a background as a normal class, you can also enter that as a background in SM or MD or XL or extra large or anything, right? So you can pretty much apply all the styles, whatever you want, with these responsive selectors as well, and that'll just work out of the box. And this is like most common with layouts and sometimes with font sizes as well, and with paddings as well. A lot of times less common with colors and stuff, because ideally you would not switch colors based on the layout. But yeah, I mean, that's something you can do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one really soon.